In this video, I will tell you how to install PyTorch. PyTorch is one of the most popular machine learning and deep learning framework. So let's go to the official website of PyTorch. Go to Get Started. Here you can check the current version of PyTorch. It is 1.6.0. You have to select your operating system. Here I am using Windows, so I will select Windows. If you are using Linux, you can choose Linux. If you are working on Mac, you can choose Mac. Since I am working on Windows, I will choose Windows. Now we will check the package. Here two options are given, Conda and pip. For example, if you are using Anaconda, you can choose Conda. But if you are not using Anaconda, just plain Python, you can choose pip. Then we have language. We have to select Python because we are installing on top of Python. CUDA, this is a GPU version. So if you are having GPU in system, you can select 10.2, which is the latest one. Otherwise, you have to select none. Now in my case, I am not using Anaconda, so I will select on pip. And I am choosing a GPU 10.2. But if you are not using GPU, if there is no GPU on system, you have to select none and copy this link, and you have to paste on the command prompt. I am selecting 10.2. Now I'll copy this link. I'll start my command prompt. I'll simply paste it, press enter. Now the PyTorch library is being downloaded. See, the file size is 1077.4 MB, so it will take a lot of time. We have successfully installed PyTorch. Now let's import PyTorch to check whether it has installed or not. First I have to run Python. Import torch. Here I am getting some error. I have to install Microsoft Visual C++. Let me check. Let me install this first. Let's go to this website and install this Microsoft Visual C++. Paste here. Click on Save File. It has been downloaded. Double click. Click on the license and terms and conditions. Install. Yes. So I need to restart my system before I can go to Python and check whether PyTorch has been successfully installed or not. So I'll just restart my system and start the video again. I have successfully installed the requirement. Now let's check if PyTorch has been installed in my system or not. So first of all, I have to open Python. import torch. Yes, I have successfully installed PyTorch on my system. Let's go to Jupyter Notebook and check it there also. Yes, it's available, so I have successfully installed on my system. Let's take one example. I'll just make one tensor and I'll print it. Okay, so PyTorch has been installed successfully on my system. I can also check the version of CUDA. So if you have a GPU on your system, it will show true, otherwise it will show false. Because I don't have GPU on my laptop, so it is showing false, but if you are having a GPU, it will show true. So we have successfully installed PyTorch, and now we can start working on machine learning as well as deep learning. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.